Researchers utilize man-made reasoning to distinguish gravitational waves. Logical representation of a mathematical relativity reproduction that portrays the crash of two dark openings steady with the twofold dark opening consolidation GW170814. The reproduction was done on the Theta supercomputer utilizing the open-source, mathematical relativity, local area programming Einstein Toolkit, https://einsteintoolkit.org/. Credit. Argonne Leadership Computing Facility, Visualization and Data Analytics Group, Janet Knowles, Joseph Inslee, Victor Mativizzi, Silvio Rizzi. At the point when gravitational waves were first identified in 2015 by the High-Level Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, they sent a wave through established researchers, as they affirmed another of Einstein's speculations and denoted the introduction of gravitational wave stargazing. After 5 years, various gravitational wave sources have been recognized, including the principal perception of two impacting neutron stars in gravitational and electromagnetic waves. As LIGO and its worldwide accomplices keep on overhauling their finders' affectability to gravitational waves, they will actually want to test a bigger volume of the universe, subsequently making the recognition of gravitational wave sources an everyday event. This disclosure storm will dispatch the period of exactness stargazing that thinks about extrasolar Courier marvels, including electromagnetic radiation, gravitational waves, neutrinos and inestimable beams. Understanding this objective, in any case, will require an extreme re-evaluating of existing strategies used to look for and discover gravitational waves. As of late, computational researcher and lead for translational man-made consciousness, AI, Elihu Huerta of the U.S. branch of Energies, DOE, Argonne National Laboratory, related to associates from Argonne, the University of Chicago, the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, NVIDIA and IBM, has fostered another creation-scale AI system that takes into consideration sped-up, versatile and reproducible identification of gravitational waves. This new system shows that AI models could be pretty much as delicate as conventional format coordinating with calculations, however significant degrees quicker. Besides, these AI calculations would just require a cheap Designs Handling Unit, GPU, like those found in video gaming frameworks, to measure progressed LIGO information quicker than continuous. The AI group utilized for this investigation prepared a whole month, August 2017. Of cutting-edge LIGO information in under 7 minutes, appropriating the dataset more than 64 NVIDIA V100 GPUs. The AI gathering utilized by the group for this examination distinguished every one of the 4 double dark opening consolidations recently recognized in that dataset, and revealed no misclassifications. As a PC researcher, what's energizing to me about this venture, said Ian Foster, overseer of Argonne's Data Science and Learning, DSL, division, is that it shows how, with the right instruments, AI techniques can be coordinated normally into the work processes of researchers, permitting them to tackle their job quicker and better, enlarging, not supplanting, human knowledge. Carrying different assets to bear, this interdisciplinary and multi-institutional group of teammates has distributed a paper in Nature Astronomy displaying an information-driven methodology that consolidates the group's aggregate supercomputing assets to empower reproducible, sped-up, AI-driven gravitational wave discovery. In this examination, we've utilized the joined force of AI and supercomputing to assist with addressing ideal and applicable large information tests. We are currently making AI concentrates completely reproducible, not only finding out whether AI may give a novel answer for fantastic difficulties, Huerta said. Expanding upon the interdisciplinary idea of this task, the group anticipates new utilizations of this information-driven structure past large information challenges in material science. This work features the huge worth of information foundation to mainstream researchers, said Ben Blachik, an exploration researcher at Argonne and the University of Chicago. The drawn-out speculations that have been made by DOE, the National Science Foundation, NSF, the National Institutes of Standards and Technology and others have made a bunch of building blocks. It is workable for us to unite these structure blocks in new and energizing manners to scale this investigation and to assist with conveying these capacities to others later on. Huerta and his examination group fostered their new system through the help of the NSF, Argonne's Laboratory Directed Research and Development, LDRD, program and does innovative and novel computational impact on theory and experiment, InSight, program. These NSF ventures contain unique, creative thoughts that hold critical guarantee of changing the manner in which logical information showing up in quick streams are handled. The arranged exercises are bringing sped up and heterogeneous figuring innovation to numerous mainstream researchers of training, said Manish Parashar, overseer of the Office of Advanced Cyber Infrastructure at NSF.